Welcome back. In this video, we will learn more about the freeze panes functionality of Excel. Whenever you have to deal with a table or data which goes out of the visible part of the screen, it is advisable to use freeze panes, as it allows you to see the title of the table even if you're scrolling down. In order to freeze the third row of this table, where I have the titles of the various columns, I'll select the row below, the fourth row, go to the menu bar, and select View, Freeze Panes. And once there, I'll pick the first option, Freeze Panes. Let's take a look at what happened. If I scroll down the data, the third row remains visible, and we can see our titles. In case I want to remove the freezing of the third row, I'll go to the menu bar, select View, go to Freeze Panes, and click on Unfreeze Panes. This is how we can freeze a row or column of a table in Excel. Thanks for watching.